N'hésitez pas à liker la vidéo si elle vous plaît et si vous êtes nouveau sur la chaîne, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et d'activer la notification pour ne rater aucune de nos prochaines vidéos. On commence.
I bet she'll be pretty, they say at her cot. I wonder what this means, so I ask, pretty what? Pretty bold, pretty bright, pretty wise, loud and brave? Ah, but they just mean her face, and they hope she'll behave. But I hope my daughter doesn't do as she's told. As long as she's safe, I hope my daughter is bold. She questions the world, she fights as she'll stand. She knows she has powers great as any man. She is sporty or creative, she has so much to say. She is kind and inquisitive and changes the world each day. When she becomes a teen, I know the world will seem tight, with a small box to fill and then she'll be right. I hope she knows her beauty doesn't come from her face, that being a woman doesn't mean knowing your place.
Why a daughter needs a dad. From the first time I held you, so perfect and new, I promised to do everything that I could do to help you become your most wonderful you. My darling, my daughter, my girl. Artistic, athletic, determined and smart, honest and brave with a kind, loving heart. It's what's inside that matters and sets you apart. Be true to yourself, precious girl. No one starts out knowing all there is to know. We all make mistakes as we struggle to grow. What matters is trying to learn as you go. Beside you, he'll be his girl. He'll urge you to give taking first steps a try. You'll climb on the school bus and wave goodbye. I'll let go of your two-wheeler and watch you fly, but I'll always be right here for you. Even though your papa is in heaven, he's in the sky, he'll always be right here for you. When mind-spinning questions keep you up at night, I'll answer them all and then tuck you in tight. I'll make certain you know everything is all right. Sleep soundly, dream sweetly, my girl. You can go off and play after school with a friend, or visit your grandparents for the weekend, or wander the wide world from end to far end. Home will always be waiting for you. Qu'est-ce qu'on va lire? On va lire coucou? On va lire coucou. Coucou.
Coucou.
Oui, c'est ce qu'on va lire. Tu vas lire avec maman?
Wawa.
Oui, on va lire coucou avec maman.
Wawa.
Tu es prête? Il fait bien chaud à l'intérieur de la maison.
Qui
Qui n'aime pas le feu? Le bonhomme de neige.
est chaud?
C'est chaud, le feu est chaud, c'est ça, bravo. Qui est éveillé lorsque nous dormons? Oui, le hibou.
Ibo.
Le hibou, oui. La tortue est trop lente pour pouvoir gagner la course. Qui arrivera avant elle? Le lapin rapide. Lapin, montre-moi la tortue.
Tortue.
Bravo. Montre-moi l'escargot.
Cargo.
Bravo. Montre-moi le poisson.
Poisson.
Poisson. Bravo, chérie. Bravo. Poisson. Quand la nuit tombe, il fait très noir. Que se passe-t-il quand le soleil se lève? On va
Le
regarder.
soleil.
Le soleil, que se passe-t-il? Il fait jour. Montre-moi le soleil.
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 Bravo. Bravo. Montre-moi la carotte.
Carotte.
Non? La carotte, c'est orange.
Orange.
Montre-moi la tomate.
Tomate.
Montre-moi la tomate.
Tomate.
Bravo. Montre-moi la cuillère.
cuillère,
Bravo, chérie. Bravo, oui, la cuillère. Que l'ours brun regarde-t-il? L'éléphant rose. Montre-moi l'éléphant.
c'est pas
Bravo. Fur. Montre-moi l'ours.
louche,
Mhm.
louche,
L'ours, bravo.
louche,
L'ours. Montre-moi le ciel.
le ciel,
Bravo. Qui est au ciel?
le ciel, papa ciel,
Oui, papa est au ciel.
papa ciel,
Papa est au ciel.
papa
Est au ciel.
au
Papa est au ciel.
papa ciel, au ciel,
Oui, il est au ciel. Montre-moi le soleil.
soleil,
Cheese. Montre-moi le soleil.
soleil,
Soleil. Bravo, chérie. Montre-moi la maison.
maison,
Maison. Bravo. I love you.
I love you. Mwah.
Mwah.